All right, everybody, this is the tube challenge from Hack the Web. So in this challenge, we're given these instructions. So in case you thought Bex's calculator was bad, I've dug up something even better for you. A calculator in the shape of a tube. Yes, something like that exists, and it's messing with my head. So we've got a calculator, and we can input some numbers, and we've got some operations here, plus, minus, multiplication and division. And what do they want us to do? So it says, what I found out so far. The tube is open on the right. You can use the number buttons to push individual numbers into the tube. The 4 basic arithmetic operations each take 2 numbers out of the tube and calculate them. The result is then put back into the tube. It's a bit hard to explain. Just click 1 and then 2 and then plus, and then watch the animation. Calculate the number 1000 and then submit the result with submit. So they want us to get the result of 1000 and then click on the submit button over here. So what they're talking about is that if you punch in 1 and then you punch in the number 2 and then you press the plus button, then it'll add 1 and 2 and give you the result. So if we press plus, it takes the first 2 numbers in the stack and then it performs the operation and then it gives it back in the stack. So what we're dealing with is something called a reverse Polish notation calculator. And this is something I didn't know about before, but it's always great to learn about these different concepts. So this is Hack the Web Tube. In this challenge, we're asked to use a tube calculator to calculate to the number 1000. So what we're dealing with here is something called an RPN calculator. The type of calculator that's used in this challenge is more commonly known as RPN. So RPN stands for Reverse Polish Notation Calculator. So in our first example, 1, 2 plus is the same as 1 plus 2 in regular math. So we've got 2 different types of notation here. So there's something called infix or standard notation, which is 1 plus 2. And then we've got the RPN version, which is 1, 2 plus. So we also have another standard notation equation over here, 3 plus 4 times 5 plus 6. So if we were to do this calculation ourselves, it would be 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11 times 3 plus 4, which is 7. So it's 11 times 7. We would get 77 as the result. So if we were to do this with the RPN calculator, we would do 3, 4 plus, and then 5, 6 plus, and then do multiply. So let's demonstrate this. So over at the calculator, we'll clear this. We do 3, 4 plus, and that adds up those 2 numbers. And then we do, 5, 6 plus? 5, 6, and then when we press plus, it adds these 2 numbers. So we've got 7 and 11 as our 2 numbers, and the last operation here is we want to multiply them. So we press X to multiply, and then we get the number 77. So what we need to do is we need to calculate to the number 1000 using this kind of calculator. So the way we do that is with something like this. So we can only put in single-digit numbers. So what we want to do is we want to get to 1000. Normally you would do something like 10 times 10 times 10 to reach 1000. And in this case, it would be something like 5 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 times 2. But in RPM notation, this would be 5, 2 multiply, and then 5, 2 multiply again, and then 5, 2 multiply again, and then multiply what's already there twice. So this will bring the total to 1000, and then you'll get the answer. So let's go ahead and do this. So back here, we want to get to 1000, so we do 5, 2 multiply, so that gets us 10. So we'll do it again, 5, 2 multiply, that gives us another 10, and then 5 to multiply gets us a third 10. So if we multiply these three numbers together, then we get 1,000. So we can hit the X button to multiply the first two 10s. That gives us 100, and then we multiply again to multiply 100 by 10, which gives us 1,000. Okay, and with 1,000, in the calculator, we can click on the word on the submit button to get the answer. Okay, and 1,000 is correct. That's all we needed to do. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Tube Challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs, out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.